भी हैं जहां पर अखिलेश यादव के साथ सभी सांसद जहां पर आए थे। महिबुल्लाह जी, आप भी सांसद हैं, आपने दावत दी थी, आपने मुलाकात की थी, अखिलेश जी को बुलाया था, लेकिन इसको लेकर बीजेपी ने सवाल खड़े किए। वो ये कह रहे हैं कि इस तरह की पॉलिटिकल गैदरिंग मस्जिद में अलाउ नहीं होनी चाहिए।
देखिए, बीजेपी जो पॉलिटिक्स करती है, पॉलिटिक्स कर रही है इस देश में, वो बहुत ही हमारे देश की संस्कृति नहीं है। हम मजहब, तमाम मज़ाहिब जोड़ने की बात करते हैं, आस्था और अकीदत की बात करते हैं, लेकिन बीजेपी जो मज़हब की बात करती है वो मज़हब को ढाने और मज़हब को अपमान, उसका मज़हब का अपमान करना, ये बीजेपी की एक इक़्तिदार को और सत्ता को हासिल करने की रणनीति रही है। हम चाहेंगे कि वो धर्म को, बीजेपी धर्म को सत्ता हासिल करने का जरिया ना बनाए। बीजेपी के लोग जो यहाँ आने के लिए कह रहे हैं,
Akhilesh's mosque trip seems to have sparked a political war here. We've just had my colleague Piyush speaking to the Maulvi of that particular mosque. We've seen the statements that are coming out from the BJP, as well as the BJP says we want to do an Akhilesh. We also want a meeting in a mosque. Remember, the allegation is that Akhilesh Yadav met multiple SP MPs in the mosque near Parliament, and that is where the question has come in. A lot of questions being asked by the BJP Minority Morcha on how this meeting happened, why did all of these MPs, SP MPs go into the mosque, and most importantly, why Dimple Yadav was also allowed to go inside a mosque and sit with the rest of the men with her head uncovered. This is rapidly spiraling into a controversy as the BJP attacks the Samajwadi Party over this meeting. We've seen how this is working out. This meeting by Akhilesh Yadav and at the mosque near the Parliament House. This is a mosque near Parliament House in Delhi. The BJP Minority Morcha has accused Akhilesh Yadav of turning the mosque into an SP office. They've questioned why the SP MPs had gone inside the mosque to hold a meeting. They've also alleged that the SP was using the mosque for political meetings, which is not allowed. Now, we'll have to see how this works out, because Akhilesh Yadav clearly has denied all of this. We just heard what Akhilesh Yadav had to say, and Akhilesh Yadav clearly saying that the BJP is trying to make a mountain out of a molehill, that he had simply gone to meet someone